chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the easy life. We're chasing the sun tonight. We're chasing the easy life. Easy life.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jean and this is Tech Talk. So new gaming headset come out almost every month, either for Xbox, PS5 and PC. So when it comes to choosing a gaming headset, it really comes down to price and the type of headset that you really like. So today I'm going to take a look at the latest wireless gaming headset mainly made for the Xbox that you can buy right now. So I'm talking about the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 2 Max. So stay tuned. I'll be right back, guys.
We're chasing the easy life.
Alright guys, I am extremely excited about this headset. It's been a while since I personally used a Turtle Beach headset for my consoles. I currently use the Microsoft wireless headset for my Xbox, and I also use the Sony Pulse 3D for my PS5. These headsets provide good sound quality for your console and for less money. But the Stealth 700 2nd Gen Max got my attention. So let's start with the packaging, guys. And packaging might not mean much to some people, but to me the packaging matters a lot because you can have a feel for what to expect based on the packaging. So to me, it's the first initial impression of any product. As you can see, the packaging here is not the most impressive one that I've seen for a gaming wireless headset, but it's not bad. It's average to me, not like what you get from an Astro gaming headset, for example. Now let's see what's in the box. Inside the box, guys, the first thing we see is the headset. It's looking beautiful. I like the blue color right here. After that, guys, just like every other headset, we have the quick start guide. We got the normal cables. You got the charging cable to charge the headset. Lastly, we have the Bluetooth dongle to connect your console to the headset. Now let's take a closer look at the headset itself. The headset looks beautiful and has the look of the latest model of Turtle Beach wireless headset. It does feel lighter than what it looks like. It does look big. The headband feels solid. It looks like a mix of metal and plastic. I think Turtle Beach decided the plastic maybe to reduce the weight of the headset, but I'm not a big fan of how the plastic is looking. It's just looking too cheap to me. So the color looks good. The buttons are easy to access and they are well placed on the ear cups. Overall, everything looks good. It's not the most premium headset that we've seen. It's not the fanciest one. But when it comes to wireless gaming headset, what really matters, guys, is the sound, the microphone, connectivity, and comfortability. And that is something we can expect from this headset based on the specs that we've seen and from Turtle Beach. I will make another video to test the headset for you guys in the coming weeks, but for now, my first impression so far is not too bad. I like the look. It's light. It feels very comfortable. Like I said, it's not the most premium headset you will find out there, but it is not something bad. So there you have it, guys. That's all I have for today's video. Don't forget, if you like this type of content, consider subscribing to the channel. Take care of yourself, guys, and see you soon for my next video, guys.